Hey there, it's Ree here from Audata Customer Success. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use one of our most requested features, digital pricing. So to start off with, we're going to go to the administration bar, which is just up here on your right hand corner, and we're going to go to schedule. We're going to go to customize and templates. Then we're going to create a new template. This can be an email or an SMS, or you can set up both. For this one, we're going to set up an SMS. Then we're going to put digital prize delivered as the statement, as the name. We're then going to put your prize, access your prize below. And we're just going to insert here prize. Now we want to put the digital prize redemption URL in there. And that is all we need for that. Create that template. Then we're going to go up to prizes and we're going to create a prize status. And we're going to put digital prize fulfilled. Actually, we might call it digital prize delivered. That's the API. We're going to change this color just so that we can see what it is. Beautiful. And then we're going to remove price from available inventory. Deduct cash value. This shouldn't really apply, but we're going to leave that on there. And then prevent price from being edited. So then we're also just going to add in our notification. So this is an SMS. I can also recommend that you set up an email as well to go with this. But for this, we're just going to set up an SMS. But I would recommend setting up both so that they can access their tickets both on a computer and via their phone. Amazing. So that's done. And then we're going to go down to settings. And we're going to go to statuses, and then down here you can see the digital prize fulfilled status, and we're going to put digital prize delivered and save that. Okay, so that's all your statuses set up and ready to go. And then we're going to go to promotions and we're going to go inventory items. So now what we're going to do is create our digital inventory. So we're going to go new inventory item, and we're going to set this up exactly the same way. So we're just going to call this test digital prize. We're going to add a value per unit. Quantity available 5, quantity on hand 5. Listener notes, congrats on winning. Keep an eye out for a message with your prize. Actually, let's make that a little bit easier to read. Your prize will be sent to you in a text message, so keep an eye out. And then down here, we're going to go to digital pricing. So this here says deliver with digital assets, and we just want to select that and then click continue. So now we have two options. We have a unique prize, which is a yes, or a non-unique prize, which we would then select no. The difference between unique and non-unique is that a unique prize would be used in the event of something like giving away tickets to, for example, the football, where you might have selected seating, and so it's really important that they each get their own individual seats. So in this case, you would be issuing one prize per one ticket per person, and so you would need to make sure that they're sitting together. That would be considered a unique prize. Another example of that might be a gift voucher that has a unique voucher number on it. A non-unique prize would be anything that is one document that you are using over and over and over to the same for the same prize for every winner. So, for example, if you're sending out a winner's letter, that would be a non-unique prize. So for the sake of this one, we're going to do a unique prize, and we're just going to upload files. So I'm just going to upload, not that. Here, I'm just going to upload these, and then we're going to continue. And as soon as this loads, you'll be able to see now. Great. So then we can see here if we go to prizes that there's none being awarded, but once they have, they'll be in there. But here is our digital assets. So you can see that once these have been awarded, we'll have our prize number and it will say delivered. It will mark it as delivered. You can also open up this and it will show you the exact document itself. So for example, and there you have that. So now all we need to do is, the other thing that we can do, sorry, before I jump ahead, is attachments. So if you have a map or anything like that you want to add, you can add that in here and that will be sent to every winner. So the difference between your attachments and your digital assets is that they are sent to every winner that you need. Okay, so we're just going to put this document in here. Great. So now if we just click refresh, we'll be able to see that that comes up as an attachment. Amazing, and all our digital assets are there. So now what we're going to do is award the prize. Inventory item test, just one. Continue. For the sake of this, I'm not going to notify myself. Great. So now I'm just going to go through the redemption link and confirm. Now, if you ever need to confirm the details for a winner, we do it this way. We don't just change the confirm status because it cancels out all of the details that we need. There we go. Beautiful, and then we press continue. And that's all done, so now we can just close that down. And if we refresh this now, you'll be able to see that, actually we'll do it from here. If you see, you can see now that this digital prize is ready to be delivered. So this orange marker here will tell you that there's a digital prize that needs to be delivered and it's ready to go. So then we go there and we hit deliver digital prize and we can select the item that we want. So if you're sending multiple tickets, so for example, if you're sending 4 tickets to one person, you can select 4 different ones. For this one, we're just going to select the 2. And then we're going to go deliver selected. So you can see there that they've got both of those items and it says that it's also been sent. Now here we can open our redemption link, which will show us this page. So it will generally have your logo up here, and then it will have your prize, and then the attachment, which is the your winner's letter or your map or whatever it is that you've included as an attachment for every winner, and they will be there. They just need to click on them and it will download their prize for them. And that is basically digital prizing in a nutshell. That is super easy to set up, super easy to manage. And if you happen to be using a non-unique prize, then it will just simply and purely be that you won't need to select your prize. You'll just click deliver and it will automatically deliver. The last thing I want to show you before we go is just coming back here to inventory items and selecting this. We go to digital assets. You can now see which ones have been awarded and to who or what prize number and that they've been delivered. So that's digital pricing. I hope you enjoy it. Let us know if you've got any feedback at support@audata.io. Thanks for watching.